Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily install Windows 11 straight from Microsoft. No third-party tools. All you need is a USB flash drive that is 8 GB or more and you should be good to go. Also, you will need a Windows PC of course to run media creation tool. Let me show you how. But guys, to get started installing Windows 11, the procedure remains the same whether you're upgrading a current system or you want to install fresh on a brand new system that has no operating system. To do that, you just go to this link, first link in the description below, click on Create Windows 11 Installation Media. By the way, if you want to use the ISO method, I made a video a few days ago on how to install Windows 10, but the method remains the same. You can use the ISO method with Rufus and you can check out the video just up there if you want to do that. But this is the easy method, so we'll go with that one. Just click on download where it says create Windows installation media. Click on open once the media creation tool is downloaded. Then let it do its thing. While it's doing its thing, you'll need an 8 GB or more of a USB drive. I'm just going to grab that and be right back. Just give it a few moments. By default, I recommend just leaving this option checked. But if you want to download a different edition of Windows, you can change it here. As you can see, we don't have many options apart from language selection. So you're just going to select use recommended settings, press next, and then select the USB flash drive option. Also here you get an option to download ISO file, which I showed in a previous video on how to use that method, but this is the easy method for most people. Press next, select your drive. Mine is the D drive AD. I can verify that by going to AD and check everything is good to go. I'll just select that and press next. Now what the installer is going to do is download Windows 11 straight from Microsoft servers and extract and copy straight to the flash drive. While all of that is going on, you can grab a cup of coffee or do something else that's important and come back once it's done. And there you go. USB flash drive is ready. You can click on this drive letter to open the drive. It should say ESD USB and you should see something like this. Just close out of it and then we restart by right clicking our start button and then restart. So I just went into the boot menu and then selected the USB drive. On modern PCs it should be the only one that shows up. If you have a slightly old PC you might see a couple of options there. Just select the brand. Mine is a Kingston. You can see we've landed on the setup. Alright guys, we're in the setup now. We just select our language and region. You can choose whatever you want. It's a full list. I'm gonna leave it to United States. Next, install. I don't have a product key. You can select the version. I'm gonna go with Windows 11 Pro. Click on accept the license terms, custom, and then you'll see your hard drives listed here. If they look something like this, you can delete your existing data by going delete, delete again, delete until you see just unallocated space. That will delete all the data from your system. You can do a proper fresh install. Now no need to click on new, just click on next and watch it install. It will take a few minutes or so depending on your SSD speed, so I'm going to time lapse this part. Here we have it. We're in Windows setup. You just click yes, select your region, press next, your keyboard layout, skip if you don't want to add another keyboard layout. I'm going to keep it disconnected until we reach desktop because otherwise Windows will force you to sign into your Microsoft account, which in some cases you don't want to do. It's restarting. You can see we don't have network. That's fine because we disconnected it. Continue with limited setup. I'm going to name it the easy way. You can call it whatever you want. Password left blank. And there you go. We are on Windows 11 desktop. You can see the new start menu style. And there you have it folks. That's Windows 11 installed and good to go. By default, Windows 11 is designed to get all of the drivers automatically. But if you're running a laptop or something like that, you might need to go to your manufacturer's website to get the latest drivers. But other than that, you should be good to go. If you have any questions, problems, or concerns, you can reach out to me on Discord. That is the third link in the description down below. Anyway guys, smash that like button if this video helped you. Consider subscribing and dinging that notification bell just down there. You can check out my other content right up here. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.